Okay, I had to remove the one I installed because the auto parts store sold me one that was rebuilt, and it was not correctly rebuilt, I guess. It's just whined, but this part did not pop out to engage the flywheel. So be careful when you buy it out of the auto parts store. If I was you, I have it tested before you take it home. This, a starter or alternator, you can test it on site to make sure it works, because this rebuilt parts, I mean, you're taking a chance. Who knows if it was done right. So anyway, I'm gonna put it back on and see if it starts again.